Our school community is so lucky to have PTSA at Inglemoor.
In 1978, a group of committed parents stepped up to organize Inglemoor PTSA, a nonprofit to support Inglemoor High School, to support our teachers, and to support and advocate for our students.
PTSA, Parent Teacher Student Association. PTSA is for everyone.
We have an opportunity to make our school stronger.
Parents, please lean in. Regardless of what activities, sports, or boosters your family supports, please join PTSA. All parents can come together to support our school through volunteer time, commitment, and financially.
Students. Your student can get involved as well. They can bring us new ideas. They are welcome to attend any PTSA meeting and to join PTSA as a student member.
PTSA Pass the Hat is our one fundraiser that directly benefits our school. Please donate what you can. Wouldn't it be absolutely amazing if each family could donate within their means? Just imagine.
If you decide you would like to donate after this evening, no problem. Pass the Hat donations are accepted year-round online.
If you are someone who would prefer to donate your time, PTSA is run by parent volunteers.
As we continue to pass the torch from year to year to support our school, we are committed to our parents, teachers, and students at Inglemoor High School.